Welcome back to the new video. Today is 19th March, 9:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going to talk about Bitcoin today. Last time we reviewed Bitcoin was on 26th of February, and very first video we came was in the first week of February. Around that time, it was around 54,000. There was a view that 65 to see, 69 to see, and then 79 to come, but it went up to 74k, and then we are seeing downtrend right now. We are at 62. If you see the percentage wise, it's almost 15% down, and what to look for it, in that actually. So that's what we're going to talk, and we will be brief on it. I hope to have the video less than 8 minutes on this. So this is the Bitcoin chart. Right now it's at 62,300, and there are some concerns that I am having it that could possibly be what we are going to look. And if somebody is looking to invest it, what could be that strategy? There is one stop 60,000, the another one is 57,700, and the best one coming is 56. Many scenarios are playing. Two price line I'm interested is in 60,000 or 56,000. I don't think 60,000 is going to hold. There is a reason. The volume is increasing on the selling side, and that's not a good sign. Let's see in the detail actually. So this is our Bitcoin. Initial wave started over here in 23 late November. It was around 16,000. And what I'm trying to show you, the correction valuation, what happened so far. If you see the very first correction, very first video, the downfall that happened from 64,000 to 16,000, if we had calculated those downfall in the waves, we knew where to buy it, and that is the reason I'm focusing over here. If this was this is my labeling over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, who knows, 5 is where. That's not the point. I said earlier, labeling does not matter. Yes, it matters, but do not bog down on the numbers. Where is what my wave ending? Just look at the waves, how it's folding for you. So let's say this is 1 and 2 here, but who knows, 1 and 2 could be here as well. No problem. Downfall was around 5,000. Over here, downfall is around 6,600. Over here is 10,600. That's for sure. So if you combine both of them, it's going to be 17,000. If 17,000 correction we are looking, it will bring it down to 56,500. That is, for some reason, I'm interested in that. I don't know. My mind is telling me that this will be the stop actually, and this could provide a good buying opportunity. But there are some other things that we will talk. And if this is 10,000 and this one, then we could be looking around 58,000. If you see percentage wise, it's minor 2% difference. It's okay. I mean, you can stagger buying around 58 and one more at 56 on equal percentage basis of whatever you want to invest. There is something else that we need to look here. So Fibonacci retracements, trend-based Fibonacci. So this is my wave 1, 2. If right now 3 and 4 is here, what if my 3 and 4 wave was here? Then what could be the scenario? I'm going to discuss that one as well, but this is my label for right now, 3 and 4 on the chart angles actually. If you see, the intensity of this run was almost same, and the intensity over here went up. So this is different intensity that we've seen so far, and this one was actually a little bit different than this slope over here as well. That's why I will call it a 3, 4 and 5. What if we have seen the finalized wave of 5, and if we have seen it, what could be our stop? The worst case I'm looking is 44 if the correction is too bad, but no, it's not going to happen. I think 56 is going to be the stop based on so many different possible scenarios. Yeah, 44 can come, but it has to come before 56 has to come before that. And fun facts about the Bitcoin, Bitcoin speculative assets. It does not produce anything. People bet on it that it's wonderful blockchain and so and so. 21 million Bitcoin could be handled with this network. If 21 million Bitcoin is capped so far, so now, as of now, 19.5 million Bitcoin has been mined. So it is there in circulation. Let's say 19.5. Another 1.5 million can add. Right. That's it. If they want to increase the cap from 21 million to higher, yes, they can do it, but lots of things has to be changed, and that's not going to be possible, and that will devalue, that will not be good for the Bitcoin. So that concept is not applicable. So you have to understand that there is a limited supply of Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin halving, the mining that halves the process of the blockchain, that's going to happen in this month. So that is crucial. We have to understand. And Fed is coming with whatever the interest rate policy on Wednesday. Nothing. I don't think there is any hope on that. So what I'm trying to show you, the wave 1 to 2 was, if you see the correction over here, that was 38% in the valuation, what we have seen it over here. If I'm saying this is my wave 3 from 24 to here, right now we are at 62. If you see, that's 23. Where is my 38% coming? 38% coming is 55. 300. If it stops here, still it's a bull run. I mean, what it will be called is that bull was in control during this one. If anything goes below that, it was, I mean, 50-50. I mean, nobody was in charge actually. So we have to look very carefully what's going to happen around 56,000, and basically actually 58 would be a good test for this one. But because of the 2%, this brings it down to 56. It's not a big fluctuation in percent wise. This is on weekly. Just look at the level. So whatever the scenario happens, 74 again, we are going to see on Bitcoin for sure. Next one is 77. Yes, that's minor line, but yeah, I'll be interested to see what it does. There is a good chance that it can fail around 78 and it can come down if it reaches to 74 first. So this is all key points. 85 is in target, 93, but it's after that, where we stop will define which target we're going to hit. This is the line. If we are going to follow it, it should not break 60,000 over here. There is another possibility is coming. If the angle of the line slope changes, then we might hit around 58,000. Right? We will focus on the volume right now. So if you see on a daily basis, look at the volume over here, right? The volume started peaking when the price was moving, you can say so. But if you see the move from here to here, that took us approximately 14 days. And the way it came down in 7 days. You can count the bar actually, or you can see in the chart. Trading view, I use it. It's very easy. Yes, the curve is going down, but it's higher, still higher. The intensity is still higher. For that to happen, we need volume to come down over here, or we need to see some green candles happening. I don't think green is coming for now. For this week, most probably we are going to see volume die down around Thursday, sooner the better. So this is the correction. Correction is so complex. So this is what happened from 74. What I'm looking at, this correction is zigzag. AI is there. You can do on WhatsApp zigzag correction. It will give you nice definition, and you don't need to spend so much time on it. But what I'm trying to show you here, it's a zigzag correction happening. There will be one target. It's telling that okay, 59,500, and second target could be somewhere around 56 at the max. And yes, I mean, there are many more other possibilities, but those are the two Fibonacci magnet numbers in the correction for this wave C. What we have to see, the wave five waves folding over here, 3 on the downwards. So I see already one wave here. This one is my second wave. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. But there is one more thing. Let's see in detail. If you see the intensity of the same chart, what we were talking earlier, it's zoom in, it's bar chart. The very first drop was 5,000, then it went up, which was around 4,000. Then the next drop happened was 7,000. It went up 5,000. It came down 6,000, went up 4,000. Went down 6,500. So, and the last run that went up was not that much. It was, yes, let's say 4,000, but the intensity is going lower. So there is not more buyer coming. That's what I want to show you. No more buyers are coming. Actually, sellers are getting stronger. They are dictating it right now. And if you see this volume increases during the downtrend. If you see when it's going up over here, volume, if you see, it's dying down, but when the downfall happens, the volume increase. That shows the momentum is on the downside. This is the channel that I just want to show you. As long as it stays in this territory, like I'm going to draw some parallel channels for you. So by this, looking at this chart, there are few strategies. Either you put your buys, if you existing investor or a new investor, right? So one buy, okay, it's very simple. You could be a safer buyer or you could be aggressive. Aggressive means once it's confirmed that the downfall stop, then you will start buying. Otherwise you let it come down, and you might miss that it's coming 56,000, and you will not be buying at this price because it's not confirmed. What is the confirmation? As of right now, confirmation is going, this is my parallel line, by the way. I will show you the confirmation. So if you are an aggressive buyer, you should be buying once it crossed 65,000. What is the run that we are looking? 75. So 12% down, 12% profit wise, right? And what could be your stop loss? 60,000. So 5,000 loss against 10,000. Risk reward is 2 and risk is 1. Still, it's okay. It's not bad. So that's for aggressive buyer. You only buy if it crosses 65. If it does not, then you don't have to invest in this one. But there is a good chance it's going to stop around 56 in the worst case, but we have to see the volume. Who knows, I might have to revise the view over here. because volume is the biggest concern right now. Based on that, if I'm new buyer, I will not be buying anything around 62. Even if it goes up, that's fine. Who knows, it will bounce back on the higher channel over here and it will come down. If you see, it's right now the center line it's stuck to. So once it starts going up and it confirms it bounced from this line, then you can come and initiate the buy, or you can initiate your first buy around 58, then the next buy should be around 56. I will not recommend, if you want to invest $1,000 as an example, I will advise to go only 300 at 58 and remaining 300 at 56, and rest of the 400 keep it. Who knows, we might need to revise something. It's not averaging, we are looking for the points where there is a good possibility that it will bounce back. So that's our Bitcoin. And that's the chart I was showing you, that what if this is my 3 and 4. So one target I'm looking is 71, which will come short, but no, the good scenario is at 85 and the next one is at 92 Bitcoin. And there is something happening interesting in semiconductor industry as well. If you are looking for a longer term, I think it's a good buying opportunity. So that's our Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and I will always say that stronger heart, happy mind, and happy trading. Thank you.